Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. Today, I am going to do one more gloss collection again. Last week, we did the mini, which is part of the free gloss as with purchase. So I don't have the collection anymore. A few of them got picked out. So now I have just few left from that, but I don't have as a collection anymore. So this one is the Conversation Hearts Glosses collection, which came in February around Valentine's Day time. It came with 4 different glosses. All of them are matte. They are really perfect shade because each one is different shade group, but they all are matte, and these are the smaller size if you compare to our regular ones. I just wanted to show the difference. This is the Conversation Mini, and this is our original gloss size. So this is, I think, 0.2 ounce, whereas the 20 ounce it's 0.25 ounce. So these are small and cute, so that way you can add many of them in your collection. And the colors are really pretty. And we had a few other released apart from this collection. We had the metallic duo in this size. This is more of our shadow sense size. That is the equivalent you can see. And we had the pink prism gloss, which came along with the love story collection. So very few glosses are available in this size. I always feel like with any gloss you will never go wrong, because they are anyway going to be highly moisturizing. And when it is a pigmented gloss, obviously apart from your color, you will be able to add more tint to it. So these are really subtle glosses. They are not vibrant like grape gloss or like a scarlet, which are like highly pigmented. These are very subtle shades, and they are perfect. And even if you get you can always buy individuals whenever they mention it. So as I said, the holiday collection is the only one it is not allowed to separate, but these glosses you can always pick them individually based on the color choice. I'm going to go ahead and do all 4 today. Let's go ahead and start with the one by one. The 4 colors are First Kiss, which is like a very pastel pink. Then comes the Cutie Pie, which is like a pinkish coral. And then we have Soulmate, which is like a cantaloupe shade. And BFF, which is a lavender shade. So they all are like very pretty and perfectly matte color to go on top of any shades. So let's start with the First Kiss first. First Kiss is a pastel pink. So it won't add lot of pigment to your lips. It will be very subtle. And one more thing I forgot to mention is all 4 are strawberry scented. So even though the colors are different, the scented flavor is always strawberry in all 4 of them. But it's very mild. As I said, since the color is also mild, the fragrance is not that much. Like, I mean, it's a very subtle strawberry tint to it. So if you see the difference between this is First Kiss, this one is a pink matte gloss. You can see the difference. Even though this is a matte gloss, this will have a glossy finish. Pink matte will have a matte finish, and this one is a pink prism gloss. So they all are a little different to each other. I think today I did a Goddess, which is like a which is the equivalent lip sense color of First Kiss actually. That's more of a matte shade. So this will go beautifully on top of a color like that. Let's go ahead with the next color, which is Cutie Pie. So Cutie Pie is a peachish coral shade. It is little different from what is this one? Like, I mean, Soulmate. Soulmate will be even more orangish, whereas it is more of a in between pink and coral. So think of a shade like nude pink, where it is like a base color. If you get one of those with 4 different glasses, you will have like 4 different looks from the same shade. It will be so cool actually. And they all are as moisturizing as Glossy Gloss with vitamin E and shea butter. So uh, once you wear it for even 30 to 40 minutes, you will see your lips are really hydrated, because when it is very what is it, like dry and peeling, that's when you will have cracks happening, and also you will have chapped lips up because of your dryness. So this will keep you really moisturized like a lip balm. So even if the days you don't want lip sense, you can just use it like a lip balm and keep your lips hydrated well. So this is Cutie Pie on me, which is like a pinkish coral gloss. So the next one is Soulmate, which is like a cantaloupe that is like a orangish shade. Even though they all look so pigmented in the bottle, when once you apply it, they won't be that pigmented, and you always have the freedom of doing one coat if you want it to be too light, and you can always go up to 2 or 3 if you want the pigment to be more. And these glosses are never all day wear, only lip senses. Glosses can act either to seal the lip sense color and protect it, or they can act as it's on its own like a lip balm, but they are not smudge resistant. So either you have to reapply it if you need it to stay all day, or they get absorbed in your lips. That's like a lip balm. I like to wear them like if Saturdays and Sundays when I'm not getting ready, I still leave my lips with some glosses. That way they they just keep it moisturized, and I still have a little bit of tint to them. If you're local here, you can any day drop in and try, or else if you're anywhere else, you can always try with our Sanalook app, because that is a virtual app where you can try all the lip sense colors, all the glosses anywhere. So that's again a possibility for you to try these glosses to see how it looks. It is obviously a what to say, like tentative thing, because sometimes it depends on the lip color, and also on your pH balance, but still it will give you an idea how the color will look on you. So this is Soulmate on me. We just have one more to go, and let's finish with that. So the last one is BFF, which is a lavender shade. It's really close to Madeline, which is a sold out gloss. And if you are looking for a little bit of glitter to it, you can do Sweet Pea, or you can do Stella. So Sweet Pea is the one I did in last live on Friday. Sweet Pea has a little bit of glitter to it, but you won't see those glitters that much, because when the color is really subtle, it will give you a nice bling, but not like a overpowering one. So this is BFF. BFF will be uh, BFF will be very light when compared to grape gloss or galaxy glitter and all, because some of the glosses are really pigmented, but the ones they did in conversation hearts are really subtle. They are like that's why I say it's perfect for teens or kids, because they are not like too flashy on them. Always have a soft corner on purples and pinks. So this from this collection, obviously BFF was my favorite, because I think it's more of a mind games sometimes, because your mind is used to seeing you in this shades more. So that's why I love BFF more in this collection actually. So those are the 4 colors from the collection I wanted to show. So here they are. Let me repeat the colors. So First Kiss, Cutie Pie, Soulmate and BFF. So you can pick any one of them, or you can pick all. When you buy as a collection, you get this pink glittery bag that comes with it, and these are like individually $15, or the collection is $60 as in total. So I just have one more to grab as a collection, I guess. So if you are interested, please ping me. And for the sample group, whoever have already been in there, I have added all of you in the FB group, which is going to happen from 17th to 20th. So it's going to run the whole week. And I know I have always talked about all these products, but it will give you a nice perspective to hear from somebody else too. And there will going to be plenty of prizes for participating. And I am very excited for to see how much we will be able to get into those. And you can always reach out to me if you are ready to try out the samples, because there is nothing to lose. That's what I feel, because it's always a fair to give these products a try, because once you try, you will realize the difference between a store bought like what is it, like a generic brand to this one, because there are so much thoughts goes into making these, because the research goes on so much. Like I know they used to say for the hair care, it was like 11 years of research that went into that product. And that's why it's always been one of my top seller anytime, because these products really work and make the difference for the price you pay. So the quality ingredients always makes the difference from what you use, because each product is highly concentrated. At the same time, each serves the purpose it's been developed for. My order, a big order went in for the month with all the Neon Surge collection, the California Lipsons collection, California Shadow Suns collection. So I'm really excited to show you guys in the coming weeks. So look for those posts, and have a wonderful day. See you all soon.